Welcome to Montierra, apartment home 3228. This is our Laguna floor plan, which is our 1,069 square foot dual master. It's located on the second floor with 16-foot vaulted ceilings. It has a wood-burning fireplace and central heat and air. In the separated dining room, you have a skylight. And the kitchen has brand new stainless steel appliances, as well as ample cabinet and counter space, including a large pantry. Each room has large windows for great natural light. And our master bedrooms are very spacious at 17.5 by 12, large enough to fit a king-size bed and more. The ceilings are also vaulted in the bedroom. And each has a walk-in closet with built-in shelving and a mirror, as well as a bathroom. Across the living room to the second bedroom, again the same size at 17.5 by 12. Lastly, out on the front balcony, you have a locking laundry room where your full-size washer-dryer are located. And apartment home 3228 is surrounded by beautiful trees and lush landscaping. Thank you again for visiting Montierra.